How to turn on Windows Defender real-time protection on Windows 10. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to turn on Windows Defender real-time protection on Windows 10. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, simply click on the Start button, and now here from the pop-up menu, simply click on Settings. And now here, once you are inside the settings, simply look at the left-hand sidebar and there you simply have to click on privacy and security. And now here, once you are inside the privacy and security, then you simply have to click on the option labeled as Windows Security. And now here, once you are inside the Windows security, then there you simply have to click on the option labeled as virus and threat protection. So here, simply click on it to open it. And now here, once you are inside the virus and threat protection, there you simply have to scroll down and there under the virus and threat protection settings section, there you simply have to click on the option labeled as manage settings. And now here on the new page, there you can see the option labeled as real-time protection. So here you can simply toggle it on and this will immediately enable Microsoft Defender's active protection. And that's it. That's how you can turn on Windows Defender real-time protection on Windows 10. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.